Hello and welcome to the Ohio State University. You are now a Buckeye. As an international student who uses English as an additional language, you must take the ESL Writing Placement Test as part of your admission requirements. The purpose of this video is to give you information about the test, what the test assesses, what is on the test, and the test results. First, congratulations on having achieved a TOEFL score that qualifies you for admission into the Ohio State University. Your TOEFL score indicates that you have a very high level of English language proficiency. This is important for your success in university courses as well as your ability to live happily and successfully in an English language speaking community. The ESL Writing Placement Test is not like the TOEFL. Not even the written part of the TOEFL. The TOEFL is a language proficiency test. The ESL Writing Placement Test is not. Rather than language proficiency, the placement test assesses your familiarity with university level reading and writing. Many university assignments involve writing for critical reading and require the use of sources. Of course, the higher your language proficiency, the easier reading and writing will be. The test is about academic writing practices that are very important for your success in the university and beyond. These practices include critical reading, the ability to write about what you have read, and the ability to use sources to support your writing. What does the ESL Writing Placement Test assess? Briefly, the test concerns academic writing at American universities. Let's look at some of the characteristics of academic writing as an academic social cultural practice. First, academic writing is rhetorical. This means that writing is always shaped by a combination of the purposes and expectations of writers and readers and the uses that writing serves in specific contexts. Second, academic writing involves analysis and practice with a variety of genres. Genres involve textual conventions such as organization, register, style, and the use of evidence. Third, academic writing involves critical thinking and analysis. Good academic writers engage with information, ideas, and arguments. Fourth, academic writing often includes the work of others. This involves a practice we call textual borrowing, which means borrowing the words and ideas of others. When a writer uses the words and ideas of others, there are specific rules that must be followed to honor intellectual property. The ESL Writing Placement Test is designed to see how familiar you are with these academic social cultural practices and make sure you get help with whatever is new and unfamiliar. Let's now take a look at the test. You will have 1 hour to complete the computer-based test. The test will begin with a short text you will be asked to read. It is usually about 1 page in length. Read it carefully. Then you will have 2 writing tasks. First, summarize the text. This will involve decisions about what information to include and what not to include. It will involve paraphrasing and quoting from the source and giving proper credit to the source author. Second, write a reflection on the text. This means you will discuss your own opinions or ideas about the topics of the text. Be clear, thoughtful, and creative. What about the test results? Undergraduate students will receive one of the following scores on the placement test: 1901. This means you need to first take EDUTL 1901 in the first semester and then EDUTL 1902 in the following semester. Our courses are listed under Education, Teaching, and Learning, or EDUTL. 1902. This means you need to take EDUTL 1902 as a prerequisite to first-year English courses offered by the English department. Q. This means you do not need to take any preparation courses. You can register for first-year English courses offered by the English department. We have important news for undergraduate students who placed in 1901. If you are an undergraduate and you placed into 1901, You have a special opportunity in the summer to take the course online before you arrive. There are several advantages for doing this. You can begin your university coursework early. You can begin autumn semester ready to enroll in EDUTL 1902. You will arrive at OSU with some of the knowledge and skills you need to be successful in your coursework in other classes. And you can meet your summer online classmates when you arrive on campus at a special gathering exclusively for your class. But you need to take the ESL writing placement test as early as possible to see if you qualify. Places in the 1901 summer online course are limited, so you must register as soon as possible. If you are a graduate student, you will receive one of the three possible placement test results. 5901. This means you need to first take EDUTL 5901 and then EDUTL 5902. 5902. This means you need to take only EDUTL 5902. Q. This means you do not need to take any preparation courses. We hope this video has been informative and can help you prepare for the tests. If you need more information about the ESL Writing Placement Test, visit the Frequently Asked Questions page on our website at go.osu.edu/writingtest. Thank you for watching and good luck on your test!